Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Design Trendhub, your go to channel for all things farmhouse design and beyond. Today, we're diving into the dreamy world of pastel shabby chic decor and how you can transform your home into a vintage country cottage masterpiece. If you love soft hues, vintage charm, and cozy farmhouse vibes, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment sharing your favorite shabby chic tips. Let's get started. Shabby chic is all about blending vintage elegance with a relaxed, lived in feel. Think soft pastel colors, distressed furniture, and a touch of romance. It's perfect for creating a cozy, inviting space that feels both timeless and fresh. Pastel colors like blush pink, mint green, and baby blue are the heart of shabby chic decor. They bring a calming, airy vibe to any room, making your space feel light and welcoming. Plus, they pair beautifully with vintage elements. Before adding pastels, create a neutral base with white or beige walls. This allows your pastel accents and vintage pieces to truly shine without overwhelming the space. Distressed furniture is a hallmark of shabby chic design. Look for pieces with chipped paint or worn edges to add character and a sense of history to your home. Layer different textures like linen, lace, and burlap to add depth and warmth to your decor. This creates a tactile, inviting atmosphere that's perfect for a country cottage feel. Scour flea markets or thrift stores for vintage treasures like old picture frames, mirrors, or china. These pieces add a unique, personal touch to your shabby chic home. Floral patterns are a classic shabby chic element, but use them in moderation. Think floral throw pillows, curtains, or upholstery to keep the look balanced. Soft, diffused lighting is key to creating a cozy shabby chic vibe. Use table lamps with fabric shades or string lights to add a warm glow to your space. A gallery wall with pastel colored artwork or vintage prints is a great way to add personality to your walls. Mix and match frames for an eclectic, curated look. Rustic wood pieces, like a reclaimed coffee table or wooden shelves, add a farmhouse touch that complements the shabby chic style beautifully. Layer a pastel-colored rug over a neutral one to add warmth and texture to your floors. This is especially effective in living rooms or bedrooms. Look for chandeliers or pendant lights with a vintage design. Crystal or wrought iron fixtures can add a touch of elegance to your shabby chic space. Metallic accents in gold or silver can elevate your decor. Think picture frames, candle holders, or even small decorative objects. Transform your bedroom into a shabby chic retreat with pastel bedding. Layer soft throws and pillows for a cozy, inviting look. A corner with a vintage armchair, a soft throw, and a stack of books is the perfect shabby chic addition to any room. Don't forget a pastel side table. Fresh flowers in pastel hues, like roses or hydrangeas, add a natural, romantic touch to your decor. Place them in vintage vases for extra charm. Stack vintage books on coffee tables or shelves to add height and interest. Their worn covers and spines add to the shabby chic aesthetic. If you're feeling bold, paint one wall in a soft pastel shade. This can serve as a focal point without overwhelming the room. Wicker baskets or rattan furniture add a natural, rustic element that pairs perfectly with shabby chic decor. Use them for storage or as decorative pieces. Sheer curtains in soft pastel shades allow natural light to filter through, creating a dreamy, ethereal atmosphere. Show off your vintage china by displaying it on open shelves or in a glass front cabinet. It's a beautiful way to add color and history to your kitchen or dining room. Give old furniture a new life with a coat of pastel paint. A mint green dresser or a blush pink chair can become a stunning focal point. Vintage Vanity with a distress finish is a perfect addition to a shabby chic bedroom. Pair it with a pastel stool and a pretty mirror for a charming setup. Antique mirrors with ornate frames add a touch of elegance and reflect light, making your space feel larger and brighter. Set your table with pastel plates, cups, and napkins for a cohesive shabby chic look. It's perfect for brunches or tea parties. A vintage wall clock can serve as both a functional and decorative piece. Look for one with a distress finish or pastel detail. Make a great first impression with a pastel entryway. Add a vintage console table, pastel rug, and a mirror to create a welcoming space. Finally, don't forget to add personal touches like family photos, heirlooms, or handmade items. These make your home uniquely yours. And there you have it. 30 tips to transform your home into a pastel shabby chic masterpiece. Whether you're starting small or going all out, these ideas will help you create a cozy, vintage-inspired space you'll love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.